There are various traditional offline measuring instruments, CMM, 2D measuring projector, height gauge, micrometer and go-no-go gauge, etc. Excessive types of instruments have greatly increased the difficulty of quality inspection training, resulting in long period, high cost, and great difficulty of training. Different measuring operation of different workers will lead to measurement differences of the same product. Beijing Jingdiao Group innovatively introduced on-machine measurement technology to 3C production process, which forms a new production mode of manufacture and measurement integrated. In the past, there were three problems in machining 3C products: high risk of damage, large labor investment, and long production cycle. The introduction of on-machine measurement technology has greatly improved production efficiency and transformed production mode. At present, it reduces material flow, basically solves the problem of poor batch quality, and greatly reduces the downtime because of waiting for inspection. In addition, it reduces the demand for labor and simplifies operation requirements for employees. There is a project in our production site. If the daily production capacity is 10,000 pieces, 13 inspectors are needed to do all the dimensional measurement and appearance inspection. After introducing manufacturer measurement integrated production mode, only 2 workers are needed for line patrol and 3 workers are needed for appearance inspection. The total number of inspectors has been reduced by more than half, and the inspection equipment has also been reduced accordingly. Additionally, data obtained by on-machine measurement in whole production process will be reflected more comprehensively, intuitively, and accurately, and is convenient for engineers to analyze the daily top 3 or top 5 problems. For manufacturing enterprises, by introducing manufacturer measurement integrated new production mode and concept, stable production with high quality and low cost can be guaranteed fundamentally.